Understanding pot-belly. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a fun and relatable English phrase, pot-belly. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Pot-belly is made up of two words, pot and belly. On their own, these words have distinct meanings. Pot, a container, typically round, used for storing or cooking food. Belly, the front part of the human trunk, below the chest. However, when these two words come together to form the phrase, pot-belly, the meaning changes slightly. A pot-belly refers to a rounded stomach or abdomen, especially one that protrudes slightly. It's often associated with overeating, lack of exercise, aging. Imagine the shape of a traditional pot. It's rounded and sticks out a bit. That's how this phrase gives a descriptive visual of someone's rounded stomach. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at how pot-belly can be used in various sentences. 1. After indulging in holiday treats, I noticed I've developed a bit of a pot-belly. 2. My grandfather has a pot-belly, but he says it's a sign of a life well lived. 3. I've started working out to reduce my pot-belly and get in shape. While pot-belly can be used in a light-hearted manner, it can sometimes come off as derogatory or rude, especially if commenting on someone else's appearance. Always be sensitive and considerate when using such descriptors. So there you have it. Pot-belly is a vivid phrase that describes a rounded stomach, reminiscent of the shape of a pot. It's a common term, but remember to use it with kindness. We hope you found this explanation helpful and can now confidently use pot-belly in your English conversations. Until next time, happy learning!